So here's the thing. Home gym equipment usually falls into one of two categories: ridiculously expensive or suspiciously cheap. And the Flybird Adjustable Weight Bench somehow sits right in the middle, promising a solid workout experience without destroying your wallet. But after spending time with it, I found something interesting. This thing is way better than its price tag suggests, with a couple of important catches you absolutely need to know before buying. So, is the Flybird bench actually worth your hard-earned cash, or is it just another Amazon fitness product with great marketing and questionable durability? Let's talk about it. Flybird Adjustable Weight Bench. Product overview. So, what exactly are we looking at here? The Flybird Adjustable Weight Bench is a foldable, multi-position workout bench designed primarily for home gym users. It's made by Flybird, a company that's become incredibly popular on Amazon thanks to affordable strength training equipment. This bench is aimed squarely at people building a compact home gym, especially apartment dwellers, beginners, or intermediate lifters who want versatility without dedicating an entire room to gym equipment. The big selling point here is simple: adjustability plus portability. You get multiple incline, flat, and decline positions, and the whole thing folds down in seconds for storage under a bed or against a wall. Flybird Adjustable Weight Bench Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? I tested the Flybird bench with everything from dumbbell presses and incline chest work to seated shoulder presses and Bulgarian split squats. And for day-to-day home workouts, it's surprisingly solid. The first thing I noticed was stability. A lot of budget benches wobble like a folding chair at a family barbecue. This one actually feels planted, especially on flat surfaces. The triangular support structure does a good job distributing weight, and during normal strength training, I never felt unsafe. Now, is it commercial gym quality? No, let's be realistic. If you're throwing around massive dumbbells every day, you'll eventually notice some flex and slight movement compared to premium brands from brands like Rogue Fitness or Rep Fitness. But for the average person, it absolutely gets the job done. The adjustment mechanism is also faster than expected. You can move between incline levels quickly without fighting with awkward pins or complicated hardware. That sounds minor, but when you're doing supersets or circuit training, it genuinely improves the experience. Features and tech. Let's talk about the standout features, because this is where the Flybird bench punches above its weight class. First up, the quick adjust ladder system. Instead of messing with removable pins, you basically pull and reposition the backrest almost instantly. That means transitioning from flat bench to incline work takes just a few seconds, which keeps your workouts flowing smoothly. Second is the foldable design. This is honestly one of the best parts. If you live in an apartment or don't have a dedicated gym space, being able to fold the bench and slide it into a closet is a game changer. A lot of home fitness gear sounds convenient until it permanently takes over your living room. Third, versatility. You're getting multiple incline positions, decline settings, and flat bench support, which opens the door for a huge variety of exercises. Chest presses, seated curls, tricep work, ab exercises. You can build a full body routine around this thing pretty easily. Design and build? Aesthetically, Flybird actually did a nice job here. The bench has a clean, modern look with matte black steel and subtle branding that doesn't scream cheap Amazon equipment. The frame feels sturdy for the price, and the welds look decent overall. The faux leather padding is comfortable and easy to wipe down after workouts, which sounds boring until you realize how annoying sweaty gym equipment can get. Now, it's not a premium luxury bench. You'll notice a few rough edges if you look closely, and some users report minor squeaks over time. But structurally, it feels surprisingly dependable. Pros. Compact foldable design, perfect for apartments. Stable enough for most home workouts. Beginner-friendly setup and usability. Cons. Seat can feel narrow for larger users. Some long-term durability concerns compared to premium benches. Final verdict. Honestly, if you're building your first serious home gym, the Flybird Adjustable Weight Bench is a really smart buy. It balances affordability, functionality, and space-saving design better than most benches in this price range. If you're a casual lifter, someone working out in an apartment, or just trying to stay consistent at home, this thing makes a ton of sense. Now, if you're an advanced power lifter moving huge weight every week, you'll probably want something heavier duty from companies like Rogue Fitness or Titan.